There's the other guy.
.22". Note that this goes this way, not up and down. And then that is I don't even know how they're getting their measurements since
Yeah.
all right, 18 inches, give or take.
Go the other one too. They did the red car too. Oh, again, up and down.
14 to 16, all the way up to 21. Nope. The other one would have hit down here at 14 to 16. 18 would have started higher.
Yep.
And would not have put a gouge of that depth
At that
from
angle.
around to at that angle.
Yep. Oh, and look.
And
there.
then this is
And
dented.
look at the scraping from the backhoe.
Yep.
The plow.
Scratch. And then look, this is
No,
dented.
no. This is the plow, the backhoe.
But this is dented.